Interactive motion release massive upgrade. You've got a new space filled with tricky setups. By double-click on Baby Octopus, you can go to character space with improved hover system, optimized solo mode, and new character. By double-click on him, you can go outside and freely explore all animations. To play with it, visit our webpage, where you can also explore every project that we will create. And check out amazing students' works based on video lessons. Go to motiondesign.school to improve your interactive skills.